What's happening, recteq family? Ray Carnes here, co-founder of recteq Grills. I'm here with my boy Stevie Fredericks. He is now, what do you do with us?
Inventory and purchasing manager.
Purchasing manager, man. He's
And a
full-time
cook
over at
occasionally.
recteq. All right, so we are making a Texas burger today. Tell us about this burger, buddy. This
Texas
is
burger.
Stevie's creation.
It's pretty simple. We're just gonna make a burger. Ray's gonna patty them up. Ray, what's the rule on pattying burgers? What's the
Well,
rule?
key is, guys, you cannot work the meat too much. We're making about half-pound burgers. You want to just smash it once, and that's it, and then clean up the edges. That's my rule. So we're gonna season that with some heifer
Pepper
dust.
dust. Season
We
it
got
pretty
some
heavily on
ground
both sides.
80-20 here. One smash,
One smash.
clean up the edge,
Bam.
and there's our burger.
And we're gonna grill these today on our new Wildside grill.
What kind of wood we got in there? Wildside. We've got some hickory and some lump charcoal in there. So we're gonna cook these at high heat. And then what's going on top of them?
On top, we're just gonna brush it with a little bit of the recteq spicy barbecue sauce. Toast a bun. We're gonna add some of our, supposed to be onion straws that came out more like half onion rings. but
Onion
they're
rings
still gonna be
on
good.
top of a burger,
On
just
top
as
of
good.
a burger. A little
And-
fresh jalapeno, and then a little balsamic tossed spring mix to give a little sweet and heat in there. So
I like it, sweet and heat.
sweet and heat.
So we will see you at the recteq.
Wildside.
Just the wild. It's still a recteq, bro.
Oh, okay, big.
See you at the recteq. We are back, and we took a walk on the Wildside. Let me tell you something.
Wildside.
It is hot on the Wildside. I have no eyebrows left.
No forearm hair.
No forearm here. It is hot. So to recap, we just took a nice 80-20 ground beef. We cooked these to about internal of 150, put a little jalapeno on top when we flipped them. Also
Barbecue
brushed them
sauce.
with our barbecue sauce and then some pepper jack cheese. We smoked some hickory bacon earlier with some
Earlier
honey
today.
rib rub on it. We toasted our buns. We use this, can't believe it's not butter spray. Makes it real easy for a quick toast. We literally toasted these buns in 10 seconds. And we have another video out we made for a side, these sweet potato fries. You can check that video out if you like. So we're gonna build this awesome burger.
When we build a burger, are you a top or bottom kind of guy?
I like putting arugula on the bottom.
On the bottom? Okay. I'm a top kind of guy. I'm going with you. You want the bacon on the bottom? Bacon on top.
Bacon on top,
Bacon on top.
arugula on the bottom.
Arugula on the bottom.
It doesn't matter, man. It's
No,
all
it doesn't. I'm just
Look how
asking.
pretty. Because I feel like that arugula on the bottom soaks up the juices. All right, so we got some bacon here. We smoked on the recteq. And
We're
we
gonna
did
put
that.
a little sauce on top.
Put a little sauce on top.
Let it run down. It's a good messy burger.
Burgers are meant to be
Meant
messy.
to be messy.
And then these onion straws / onion rings.
Did not quite turn out the way we hoped.
Stevie told me 1/4 inch, so I sliced a 1/4 inch. He was
If that's
obviously
a
looking for
1/4
thinner.
inch, son, that's like your 2 tablespoons.
All right, that looks like a good burger to me. If I don't say so myself, let's cut this guy in half. Try it out. All right. Moment of truth.
Nice.
Baby.
Nice.
All right. That's a nice little pink left in there. Hey, cheers, buddy.
Cheers,
Thanks for
bud.
grilling with me today.
Enjoyed it.
You want to on my face? That burger gets a good crust on it. Man, nice work. The Texas Burger. Visit us at recteqgrills.com. Visit us on social media. Thanks for grilling with us today, man. Check it out. Nice work, buddy. It's awesome.